So first of all, we have this automation. What this automation is basically doing, it is scraping all the relevant information that I already shown you. Like this will look like this, contain full name, email, phone number, country, location, and till this link, LinkedIn URL. Okay, so we get, after running that automation, we get these details of their businesses, and after that we need to run this another automation. This one I created. What this automation is doing, this is just getting the website URL from here, and then going through the website and searching for the sub pages, all the sub pages links, and after getting all the links, it is going through each and every page. Instead of just scrapping the home page and going on, it's scrapping all the sub pages and getting a summary of those pages, and after that we are creating a personalized abstract of those all pages. And after abstract, we have a sales agent that will look into the abstract of those business website, and after that it will create a personalized icebreaker. And we are just after running this, we will get these three. We will get the values of these four columns. Research report will contain the abstract of the whole business, and raw, here will be a raw material that is not useful as it's just a it's just a thing, but it is not that useful in our case. What we need is this one. We will get, for each we get the personalized email. For now I created a like from my side I created one of the pitch. It might not be that perfect, but we can improve it further. For now it looks like you can see it here. For the Stuber travel group, it created like this. You can read it. It's quite better, but we can also improve if you find any issue in this. Okay, so now I will run this from here too, and go through all the websites, grab all the pages, and after analyzing all the pages of business, it will understand the business, create an abstract of it, and after that it will it will write a personalized email and then store it into our Google Sheet. We can directly send email, but I'm just storing it into a Google Sheet, like a draft, and after you read it and you find it is good, and we can send it with another automation that I will create next. Website, around 100 of websites, so each one contains sub pages, and it will take a bit time because there are 100 websites, and each website could have multiple pages from the range of 5 to 7 or whatever. So that's why it is taking a bit longer. Let me pause the video here. So once it is completed or nearly completed, I will play it again. So here I fixed a bit. There were some issues, and I fixed them. And after that, it is executed successfully, and now we can see our leads here. They contain the result, personalized draft message to send to our clients. And yeah, we have, for all these 5 leads we have successfully generated. Previously I was running it for 10 leads, but it was making some issues and taking a lot of time, so I restricted for tested for first 5 leads initially, and after that I will now check that how it can be done for multiple leads, and like 100, 200, or even thousands of leads, how we can do this. I will check this, but this is how it is working. We have 2 automation, as previously I told you that first one was for generating leads and saving them into our Google Sheet, and after getting those in our Google Sheet, we are again going to for research into their website, in website and sub pages of their website. After the scrapping of all the information we have available in the website, we have created an personalized message for them to send for outreach. And yeah, this is, I will also share this Google Sheet with you so you can see that how the result is looking like, what is the quality of message that is being generated. If that is not good, we can also modify it, we can customize the page as much as required.